Hi, in this video I want to show you how to put together this adorable cake slice pop-up card that I have at the Silhouette Design Store and in my shop at shop.lorywhitlock.com in SVG format. So basically it's a 5x7 card, and this is what I've put in the file for embellishment for the front, and we're going to embellish the middle to have a pop-up slice of cake. And I know it's going to be really hard to see on video, but I do have some little marks in the card base here that are going to help you place your cake slice when you glue it in. These are our covering panels, so we'll move those off to the side for a minute. And this is the top of our slice of cake. So we'll go ahead and put our candle in our top slice, and then we'll go ahead and glue this piece onto the cake slice. So this is our frosting piece, I guess I should call that frosting. So let's go ahead and pull off the backing on this adhesive here, these two little tabs. To form the candle, all you need to do is just fold that in half, and I just glued on the two little yellow pieces here at the top. And then there's a little V cut here in the top of the frosting, and you'll just go ahead and slide those two little pieces down till they reach the fold, and just open those tabs up on the back side. And it should look like that. So that's what the candle on the top of the frosting will look like. So I'm going to go ahead and take the adhesive backing off the tape on the back of my cake slice. And once you have that ready to glue down, we'll just go ahead and on your cake slice, you're going to fold these two tabs up. They're the glue tabs that'll glue down to the card. And then go ahead and fold these triangle pieces in. And our cake slice is going to pop up, so go ahead and fold that up. And then on the back side, we'll just fold all of those tabs as well. So now we'll just go ahead and line up our frosting here with our cake. Just go ahead and glue that down, and you should be able to fold everything on those score lines still. So just make sure that you train that so that works really well. And to finish off the back of the cake, you're just going to take this little glue tab here and glue it right over here. So I'm just going to lay this all flat, and it's just going to complete the back of the cake slice just like that. Okay, so just get everything trained where it will lay flat and then open up. Okay, so now once you have all of that ready to go, we're going to put it in the middle of our card. So I'm going to take the adhesive backing off of these two glue tabs here. And note that there's not any sort of glue here in between the front of the cake. So now we're just going to take those glue tabs and line them up with the little cut marks that I've given you. There's some little triangle pieces in the corner. Just line these right up with those, and then when you do that, it will place the cake in the precise position so that it opens up and pops up properly. Once you have that in, just get those glued down nicely. And I've given you some covering panels to cover just like this to finish off the card, and it'll hide these little glue tabs as well. So we'll go ahead and peel the adhesive back off of those. You might want to test this first really quick and just see that our cake is working really well. So in fact, I think you can even train it to go in if you would prefer. That works well. And that way, if your candle is sticking out, either way, it can pop out or in. But that gives you your little pop-up cake piece, and we'll just use our covering panel piece here to finish off our card. And then we'll do the same thing here on the other side. Okay, and now we're just going to slide that right in between our cake slice. And that glue is extremely sticky, so we've got to be careful putting that in. We'll just go ahead and slide this right in and get our covering panel set right where we want it. And go ahead and stick that down. Okay, so now you can see we've got our cute little cake slice that lays flat when you close the card and pops right up when you open it. And you can play with it and decide if you want your cake to pop out or in. Either way works though. Anyways, how cute is that? How fun to be able to have a little cake slice that pops up in the middle of a card. So I hope you enjoy making these and that you have fun giving these for birthday cards. Have a great day. Bye-bye.